Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a common issue many Facebook users face, the missing add friend button. If you've been puzzled by this, worry not. We're here to guide you through several fixes to bring that option back. First, let's understand why this happens. The missing add friend button could be due to the user's privacy settings, your account facing restriction, or simply a glitch on Facebook. No matter the cause, we have several methods to try and fix this issue. Let's dive into the solution. Method 1. Check the user's privacy settings. Some users set their privacy to only allow friend requests from friends of friends. To check this, ask a mutual friend if they can see the add friend button on the profile. If they can't and you can't, it's likely a privacy setting issue. Method 2. Try sending a message. Sometimes initiating a conversation can prompt the add friend button to appear. Just hit the message button on the profile, send a friendly hello and check if the option appears after reply. Method 3. Check if your account has any restrictions. Facebook may limit your ability to send friend requests if it detects unusual activity. To check, go to your settings, then tap on blocking and see if there are many restrictions listed on the block users or restrictions. Method 4. Try using the Facebook app. Sometimes the issue is specific to the desktop version. If you're on a computer, switch to your phone's Facebook app and search for the profile again, then add friend option might just be there. And there you have it. One of these methods should help you fix the missing friend option on Facebook. If you're still facing issues, it might be time to reach out to Facebook support for help. If this video was helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share and subscribe for more tutorials.